Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Toyota Crown Platinum. So the Toyota Crown Platinum is the highest trim. You have the Hybrid Max in here. It's a hybrid vehicle. You have 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, which is pretty impressive, and it's a 4-cylinder. You can get about 400 miles of range in this car, which is really nice as well. The interior seems pretty high quality, actually. This is the first time I've ever been in the Crown. It's interesting. You got a pretty big screen over there. You see this wireless charging tray. I find it to be interesting. So I guess you just have to like put your phone over there. There it is. So there's like these two little clips which you put your phone in for it to charge. So that's what I just did right there. Here's your screen. Pretty standard Toyota screen that you find in a lot of Toyotas. You also have your maps. Here's your reverse camera. .360 camera as well. And then you can change your drive modes. You have custom, Sport Plus, Sport, Normal, Comfort, and Eco modes. I like the digital gauge cluster. It looks pretty cool. Well, let's walk around this vehicle. Also has some storage right there. This has like this platinum gold looking trim inside. Pretty big sedan right here. It's got like elevated ride height, kind of like a crossover. It's a huge sedan. And it's like a two-tone look. Use the rear seats. Looks pretty spacious back there. I mean, me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the two-tone look, to be honest. It's just not my thing. But yeah, it's definitely unique looking, that's for sure. You see the Hybrid Max badge over there. But yeah, it's definitely a bold looking sedan. If you want a sedan that kind of stands out, this will definitely do that for you. But yeah, let's go for a drive in this Toyota Crown. And the way the shifter works, you have to push to the left and up for reverse, left and down for drive. If you don't do the left part, it'll just go straight to neutral. Steering is nicely weighted, actually. I like that. You also have shift paddles. And I'm in the Sport Plus mode now, just to see what it's like. This definitely seems like a nice daily driver with the fuel economy, the range, and the power is really good too. Also, it's a really comfortable car. I mean, Toyota makes nice cars. It feels really pretty high quality. Yeah, this car's pretty fast. That is impressive acceleration. I didn't know that the Crown had that kind of torque and horsepower figure. I like that. Nice, very smooth. I like it. This car is really quiet too, obviously, because it's a hybrid. It's a really comfortable car, and I love how thick the steering wheel is. It really has some really high quality leather touches on it. The shift paddles are interesting. Like you press like on over here, but like they're pretty big paddles. There's like an eco power gauge over there, the charge. You have heated seats and ventilated seats as well, and heated steering wheel. Looks like you have to press that little button over there to turn that on. You also have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, which is cool. You have a JBL sound system. But yeah, very nice car to drive. Feels great. I really didn't have much expectations because I didn't know much about the Crown, but it is quite nice. It's a very luxurious sedan, and the ride height, since it's like elevated, like kind of like a crossover, as I was saying, you definitely feel more isolated from the road than you would in a regular other sedan. You don't feel the bumps as much, and it's easier to get in and out of the vehicle due to its ride height. I'm gonna put it back in Sport Plus, see how it does under hard acceleration. No paddles. Nice. As I said, it accelerates quickly and effortlessly. Power is not a problem in this, and 400 pound-feet of torque will definitely put down, will help you put down that power. And the transmission's pretty smooth too. It's nice, it's responsive, especially in those in the sportier modes. I'm gonna put it in eco now, see what it's like. But yeah, in all the modes, it seems pretty similar in most of the modes, other than the sport, like the normal and eco. Because like even in eco mode, you put your foot down a little bit, and it'll still respond pretty quickly, which is nice. But I'm assuming eco mode is definitely for like the best fuel economy or whatnot, or like, you know, you're in traffic, trying to maximize your fuel economy and stuff. That's the econ mode right there. But yeah, this definitely seems like a awesome daily driver, and I believe I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm thinking that's like to track your eyes if you're going to use like the self-driving features, because that's what a lot of cars have with like the self-driving offerings. They have like a little radar to sense your eyes. I'm assuming that's what that is. I might be wrong though. Please let me know in the comments below what that is if I am wrong. Nice and smooth, even in this eco mode. Feels great. Yeah, very nice to drive. I'm impressed with this Toyota Crown Platinum. And it just feels super luxurious in here. It feels like a Lexus in this car. I like it a lot. So let's see. You got a brake hold option. You can open the console both ways for the driver and passenger. Buttons on either side. The windshield heating right there for like snow, or like you have ice on the windshield. You have that. You also have a panoramic sunroof, which is pretty cool to see. You don't really see that in a lot of sedans, right? But yeah, nice vehicle. I enjoy driving this Crown. I think it's luxurious. I think it has great fuel economy. It's quick, has great power. I mean, it gives you everything you really want, right? So if you're looking for a Toyota Crown, you should definitely get it. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this Toyota Crown.